welcome back to my channel, or should I say welcome back to part 3 of my declutter series. Today we're going to declutter my blush, bronzer, setting powder, and face powder drawer because it's got so much shit in there. So I know my drawers look organized, and it's because I'm a Virgo. So that's the OCD in me. I always tend to keep everything organized. So I am a organized hoarder. Like, hello, I'm not just hoarding and just, you know, making a mess. I'm being smart with it. So let's just jump straight into the video. And I think I want to do face powders first because they're right here in front of me. Let's just do this because I'm gonna be here all day. So the first powder I have is this Too Faced powder. I just got this, so I'm definitely not decluttering this yet. It's a finishing powder, sort of. It's a poreless skin smoothing pressed powder, so I'm definitely keeping that because I just got it. So definitely keeping my Remo London Stay Matte powder. Love this. This is so freaking good. Keeping that. Definitely keeping this Catrice Prime and Fine mattifying powder. It's a waterproof translucent powder. I use this for the summertime. It is a must. Love this. And I'm also keeping my LA Girl Pro Face powder. Love this stuff. Love it. And I'm also keeping this. I love this stuff. I'm just keeping everything right now. I don't know why I'm here. I don't know why you guys are watching this video. I'm obviously just not throwing anything away. And I'm also keeping this, and this is a good powder, and obviously you see I'm hitting pan on it. So I'm keeping it. Yes, finally, something I'm gonna declutter. I'm gonna declutter this powder only because it's nice, but it has shimmer in it. And I'm not gonna apply glitter all over my face. It's just not gonna happen. It feels nice, but there's a lot of glitter in here, and it also has another side, but I feel like it's just glittery. So this is the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow powder. It's a nice powder, but I'm not gonna keep it. I'm not putting shimmer all over my face, you know. So decluttering that. Finally, something. Another powder. Now we're getting into my loose powders. All my loose powders are back here, and we have some back here. So I also have these little mini ones right here. So jumping into it, this is my little Fenty mini. I'm keeping this. This is in the shade Cashew. I like it for traveling. It's not a lot of product in here, but hey, you know, I do travel often, so look at me. I'm all bougie. I travel often. Like, girl, bye. But yeah, I do travel, so it's, you know, I need it for traveling. You know, TSA, they hella strict. So I'm keeping that. I'm also gonna keep this Locket by Kat Von D, the translucent shade. It's a little mini, and it has a lot of product in here. I need to start pulling this out because I really don't use it that often. But I don't want to get rid of it because I'm a hoarder. So I'm keeping that as well. And I'm also keeping this Makeup Obsession Pure Bake Banana Powder. This is really nice. I like it. And yeah, I've been using it often. As you can see, there's a, you know, it's almost gone. It's about to like here. So yeah, it's a nice powder. I like it. Keeping that. And I'm also keeping my CoverGirl True Blend Mineral Powder and also Banana. Like this stuff. This shit is amazing. Love it. Also keeping this Becca powder. Love it. It's the Hydro Mist powder. I got this in a BoxyCharm. Super nice. I like it. And it feels weird, but like I said, I'm a weirdo. I like it. Oh, love this. This is my Holy Grail powder. My collab powder. Keeping it. The translucent shade. So I'm definitely keeping that. I have powders back here. So let me take this out so I can get to these powders here. This is my Airspun, my Coty Airspun. This one's in the shade Translucent Extra Coverage. I'm keeping this. Love this stuff. And this is the another Airspun, but this is in the Naturally Neutral. This kind of has like a I think like a color. It looks the same, but I'm gonna declutter this one because I don't use this one and I use more of that one. So this one's gonna be decluttered. This is a backup of my peach blur. So I have it up here, so I'm definitely keeping that. Putting that back there. I have this Too Faced Sweetie Pie bronzer, and it's a radiant matte bronzer. I just got it and I haven't used it much, so I'm gonna keep it because you know how I feel about getting rid of products. Oh, yo, clumsy me, right? It would be, but anyways, so I'm keeping this because I haven't used it, so using that. I'm also going to keep this Pretty Vulgar bronzer. It came broken from my Boxy Charm, so I fixed it up. Didn't do a good job, but it still works. This is in the Bronze B shade. I am keeping this as well. Keeping, like I said, if I can get in here, keeping my peach blur. This is really, really nice. This is a translucent smoothing finishing powder by Too Faced. I love this stuff. This is so freaking nice. Like, hello, and I feel bougie every time I open it. I'm also keeping this Clara bronzer. It's really, really nice. I use mostly all the shades in here. Keeping that. Also keeping my Hoola Caramel. You know, this is my holy grail product. Keeping that. And I'm also keeping my Too Faced powder. Love that. And I love this. This is nice. You know what? I'm going to keep it because it's pretty much my only drugstore powder. So if I want to use it for tutorials and stuff. So I'm keeping that. And jumping into blushes. I think I'm going to declutter this Calaro one. It's really nice, but it reminds me of my Anastasia one. Somewhat. You know what I mean? So I think I'm going to declutter the Calaro one and obviously keep my Anastasia one. This is my Too Faced peach my cheeks and pinch my peach shade. It's a cream to powder blush. Honestly, I'm decluttering this. It's not doing anything. It smells nice, but I think I'm gonna declutter it. You know what? I'm putting this in the maybe pile because I don't know what I want to do with my life. I'm keeping the Bare Minerals. Love this. I'm also keeping the Laura Geller Tropical Hues powder. This is a blush. Love this. Keeping that. I'm also keeping both of my Becca blushes. This is in Ginger Snap and this is in Tiger Lily. Love these. These are super, super pretty and they look even gorgeous on the skin. Love this one. This one's so cute. Keeping that. So I'm going to keep this Tarte blush in the shade Feisty because it matches my attitude. Keeping that, and I don't have a lot of Tarte blushes, so I'm keeping that. I'm definitely keeping my Alamar Cosmetics blush. I love this. I got this in a Boxy Charm. Super pretty, super summer, like it screams summer, even though I use it all year round. But yeah, I love it. I'm definitely keeping that. I'm also keeping both of my Catrice blushes. One is in bronze, the other is in golden coral. Love these, super pretty, gorgeous. I'm going to declutter this Physicians Formula blush in Rose. I never use it. It's a really, really bright pink shade, and I think that's why I don't use it. It's super bright. Like, yeah, that's not for me. So I'm decluttering that. I'm going to keep my Morphe blush in Pop of Poppy. This is really pretty. These colors are super, super pretty. This is like a topper, but it's really, really nice. So keeping that as well. Keeping both of my Milani blushes. I used this one this week, and this one is just beautiful. This is the Luminoso shade, and this one's the Rose de Oro. Keeping both of these. I'm gonna declutter this LA Colors Rouge one in the shade Like Totally. It's made a few, it's broken, but it's nice. It still works. It still works. It's in a nice shade, but I feel like I have shades like this already in my collection. So I'm gonna declutter this. It's made it through a few declutters, so it didn't make it this time. She got cut. I'm also gonna keep this Revolution one. I love this triple baked blusher by Makeup Revolution London. Love this. This is like a dupe to the Too Faced heart ones. This is so pretty, but it's gorgeous. I'm keeping that and my collab powders back there. So I'm gonna organize the drawer again and show you what I got rid of out of this drawer. So these are my maybes, and out of the maybes, I want to keep one. I think I want to keep both of them. I don't know. You know what? I'm gonna keep both of them, see if they make it through another declutter. I think that's how I'm gonna do it, because I don't want to get rid of anything else. So yeah, guys, this is what the finished drawer is looking like. I still feel like I have a lot of shit, but look, I have a little gap, you know what I mean? I got space right there to grow. And yeah, I feel like I got rid of enough stuff that I'm not using at the moment. And all the products that I'm getting rid of are right here. So I'm getting rid of 2 blushes, setting powder, and a face powder. So not bad, you know, 4 little items out of here, you know. So yeah, guys, that is it for my blush, contour, and powder drawer. I hope you guys enjoyed part 3 of my declutter series. And don't forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys in part 4 of my declutter series. Bye.